Hi, welcome to the Advanced Learning Center. This is the disclaimer of these videos. Please go through this one. So today we will be discussing about the Communication Engineering Part 2 question paper. Communication Engineering 2 question paper that was came in the end semester examination 2023 in State Council of Technical Education, Assam. Myself, Tashir Ali Sheikh. So see the contents of my today's videos. See question paper 2022. Solution of question number 1, solution of question number 2, right, true or false, solution of question number 3, specify the correct answer. So this is the question paper. So end semester question paper. Communication engineer duration 70 minutes. Time is 3 hours. So there are two parts, part A and part B. Part A 25 marks and part B is 45 marks. Okay, part A totally short marks question. There are two in part A. There are three questions, 1 to 3. One is filling the blanks with suitable example. There are 10 questions. So in the next slide we will be described one by one. Right, true or false. Here is also 10 questions, 10 marks. So this question also will be discussed in later slide one by one. Next, question number 3, specify the correct answer from the multiple type of questions. So here is 5, total 25 marks, 10, 10, 5, 25. So next question part B. So in part B there are multiple number of questions are there. Out of that we have to write down only 5 questions. So each question carries 9 marks. So 5 is equals to 25 marks. Okay, 45 marks. So these are the questions. 4 questions, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the questions. Please go through these questions. I am not going to recite these questions. Here is question number 10. Here is also parts. So see the first questions. The sensitivity of the radio receiver is determined by the gain of RF amplifier. The answer will be RF amplifier. In lock state of PLL phase lock loop, the phase error between the input and output is minimum. So this question is repeated. This same question was came in the year 2022 also. So it is answer will be minimum. So in the FM, pre-emphasis is done for dash frequency component. So generally pre-emphasis is done for remove the high frequency in the FM. So here will be answer will be high frequency. For remove the high frequency in the FM system, pre-emphasis is done. Next question is pulse amplitude modulation signal is recovered by using dash filter. It is low pass filter. Using the low pass filter, pulse amplitude signal is recovered. Next is PWM signal is generated by using monostable multivibrate. So answer is monostable. Digital system uses dash bandwidth than the analog system. Digital system use higher bandwidth than the analog signals. Next is radar set use the echo to determine the direction and distance of reflecting objects. So echo are generally used to determine the distance and direction of the reflecting objects. Next is RF amplifier is E-tuned dash amplifier. It is a narrow band or audio. Okay, this is a narrow band or audio amplifier. So in TDMA is multiplex signal is occupied the entire bandwidth. Okay, so suppose this is the time, this is the bandwidth. Okay, so in each and every time we use the whole bandwidth. We have assigned the user whole bandwidth to the user. And so this whole bandwidth is assigned to the user. So answer will be bandwidth. So BFO is used to receive dash signal. Bit frequency oscillator is used to receive dash signal. It is answer will be continuous wave, and single sideband signal are generally received by the bit frequency oscillator. Number 2, write true or false. Here limiter is not essential in radio detector. So yes, this statement is true. Harmonic generator uses dash class amplifier. This statement is false because harmonic generator uses class C amplifier. Bandwidth requirement in FM system is less than the AM system. This statement is also false because in FM the bandwidth is twice of FM. In AM, FM is 2 del plus FM. So this 2 del of FM is higher than this FM. So answer is higher, not less. Okay, so that's why this statement is false. Next question is quantization noise occurs in PCM. Yes, this statement is true. This also came in the year 2022. This question also came. So same question is repeated. Neutralization is used in RF amplifier to improve the selectivity. This statement is false. So same question, this question also was came in the year 2022. This question also repeated. A pilot carrier in a single sideband is provided to reduce noise. So this statement is also false. For stabilizing, we use the pilot carrier in SSB to improve the provided to reduce the noise for stabilizing, not to reduce the noise. Okay. So envelope detector is a coherent detector. This statement is also false. Envelope detector is a asynchronous detector. Okay. Next is the term HLR stand for home life register. Home HLR means home location register. Digital signal represent values in discrete step. Handoff is the process of transferring a mobile station from one base station to another. So this statement is also solutions of question number 3. Specify the correct answer. See the first questions. Demodulations of FM signal is done by envelope detector, product ratio detector. So demodulation of FM signal is done out of these 3 questions, ratio detectors. Okay, out of these 3 ratio detector is done the demodulation of FM signal. Echoes is transmitted signal, demodulated signal, reflected signal. Echo is nothing but it is a reflected signal. So some signal will be collide with some walls or any trees, then again it came back. So it is nothing but is a reflected signal. So echo is a reflected signal. Next is COHO stands for coherent output, coherent house oscillator, coherent local oscillator. So it is generally coherent oscillator or coherent local oscillator. Noise generated in a register is known as partition noise, thermal noise, flicker noise. So noise generated in the register is known as thermal noise. So this question also repeated. This was also came in the year 2022. So modulation is done at receiver, transmitter, between the transmitter and receiver. So modulation is done generally in transmitter. Before we sending the message, we need modulation for long distance transmissions of the signal. So it is transmitter. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. If you need more descriptions of the descriptive questions, please comment, put your comments on the comment box. Thank you.